Can I open my eyes now, Dad? I am so excited!
Happy birthday, Ben! This blue bicycle is your special gift today.
Wow! It looks so beautiful! This is the best bicycle in the world! Look, Ben! I have a beautiful blue helmet to match your fast bike.
You must wear this helmet every single time you ride, Ben. It protects your head.
Helmets look so uncool. The big neighborhood kids do not wear them.
True champions wear safety gear because staying safe is smart, my son.
Let us go to the big Park Hill to test the speed right now.
Stay on the flat sidewalk first, Ben. Do not go down the big hill yet.
Go, Ben, go! You are riding like a real lightning flash today.
You are doing great, but keep your blue helmet strapped tight on your chin.
The strap is too tight and hot. I am going to hang it on the handle. That feels much cooler. Now I can feel the fresh wind in my hair. I am going to ride down the giant hill fast to surprise Mia and Dad. I am the king of the mountain. This is gonna be an awesome ride. Whoa! Ah! This is super fast. Look at me go, world. I am flying like a bird. No brakes can stop me now. The bike is shaking. I cannot control the silver wheels anymore. Help me, Dad! Ouch. Ouch.
Ben, that was a giant crash sound near the hill path. Ben.
Where are you? Please answer your little sister. My head hurts so terribly. It feels like an elephant stepped on it.
Do not move your body, Ben. Let me look at your head carefully. Where is your blue safety helmet, Ben? Why is it not on your head?
I took it off because it was hot. I mean, it is sitting inside the muddy water, Dad.
This is exactly why we have safety rules, Ben. Your head took the hard hit.
The blue sky is spinning around in circles. I feel very sick, Dad.
We must go to the city hospital emergency room right now. Follow me, Mia. Keep your eyes open, Ben. Look at my face. Stay awake. I am going to drive safely, but very fast to the clinic town.
My whole birthday is completely ruined because I was stubborn, Mia.
We are almost there, buddy. Hold on tight for 5 more minutes. Mia, grab the doors! I am carrying your brother inside the white building. Help! My young son fell off his bicycle without a helmet. His head is hurt.
Sit inside this special rolling chair, brave boy. Let me help you. Whoa. That is a very impressive birthday bump you have there, young man.
Can I come inside the room too? I am his official helper sister.
Yes, sweet girl. Every great captain needs an official helper team.
Is that giant machine going to eat my blue bicycle, Nurse Holly?
No, this machine just takes a beautiful photo of the inside of your smart brain.
The cold ice pack will shrink that red apple bump down to a tiny grape.
The ice is freezing cold, but the spinning feeling is stopping now.
Good news, Ben. Your brain photo looks perfectly clear and healthy. Thank goodness. Thank you so much for checking him, Doctor. Look here. Your bone is very strong, but your skin took a big lesson today.
Your head looks like a round white space helmet in that picture, Ben. If I wore my real helmet, the hard ground would not touch my skin, Doctor.
Exactly. Helmets take the hard hit so your beautiful face stays safe.
Here is some special inner medicine for birthday boys who learn lessons.
Wow. This sweet strawberry ice cream is my absolute favorite, Nurse Holly. Here is the biggest bite for the best helper sister in the world.
Our birthday emergency is turning into a very sweet party now.
These are safety champion stickers for your new blue bicycle body.
I will attach this cool tiger sticker directly onto my front handlebars.
He is ready to go home now. Just keep him resting on the sofa today.
My legs are not dizzy anymore, and I can walk completely straight. The blue family car is waiting to take us back to our cozy garage. Dad, can we wash the pond mud off my helmet when we get home?
Yes, we will make it look brand new and shiny under the kitchen tap.
The big red apple bump is already looking like a tiny grape, Ben.
We are home safe. Time to start the birthday celebration for real.
My favorite soft pillows feel so good against my tired head, Mom. Dad?
I am going to the garage to clean the blue bicycle and the gear now. The blue paint is still shiny and the silver wheels are straight.
Let us draw a picture of a fast racing boy wearing a giant golden helmet. This golden helmet has 5 giant white stars to protect the racer's head.
Look here. The pond mud is completely gone and the stars are bright again.
Thank you, Dad. It smells like sweet lemon soap now.
Now you look like an official captain of the bicycle safety team.
Make a wish about flying fast on your blue bicycle, Ben. I wish that every kid in the world wears a helmet today.
That is a very beautiful and very unselfish wish, my smart son.
This chocolate cake tastes much better than the hospital room juice. Look at my chin strap, Dad. It is perfectly locked, and click sound is done.
Perfect. Now you look like a real professional safety champion, Ben.
I am wearing my pink helmet too. Look at my small stars. Ah! My helmet makes me ride faster because I am not afraid of falling down.
You are right, Ben. I am going to ask my dad for a red helmet tonight.
My little boy is teaching the big kids how to be smart and safe today.
Watch me turn the corner safely without slipping on the stones, Mia. We are the official helmet team of the Big City Park World.
This picture will show Mom that our kids are real safety heroes now.
The Park Hill path is steep, but the flat sidewalk is way more fun today. You are my best bicycle friend because you keep my brain safe, Helmet.
Sleep well, my brave little safety captain. The big world is safe.
My big red bump taught me that a real champion always protects his head with love.